What's going on, my friends? It's your friend Jack here, and today we're going to be talking about the best print-on-demand dimensions for your t-shirt designs, and we're going to be considering all the platforms, so get ready, stay tuned, and let's get right into this video. Alright, so just starting off, we're going to talk about the two main sizes that I would recommend, or I would think are most common for print-on-demand, and I'm going to tell you guys which one I like more, especially now, and which ones I would recommend for certain people. Now, 5000 by 7100 is a great resolution for Redbubble, okay? Redbubble, really good for this resolution because all your products are going to be enabled quite well, especially greeting cards are all going to be filled fully, and everything's going to look really clean and professional, especially if you're looking to prioritize Redbubble. However, if you are on Merch by Amazon, for example, then I would definitely go with 4500 by 5400, just because Merch by Amazon only accepts these numbers for your t-shirts. You can't change the numbers, you have to pre-position it, and yeah, that's it. So if you're on Merch by Amazon, you could also convert your designs over to 5000 by 7100, but in my opinion, if you're on Merch by Amazon, that should be your priority. Personally, for me, that's a priority. So I've shifted back and forth between the two because I wasn't on Merch by Amazon for a while. But now that I'm back on Merch by Amazon, I go fully 4500 by 5400 designs. And in terms of other platforms, something to keep in mind is that the other platforms are kind of here in the middle, where both of them, they don't really matter that much once you get to the other platforms. The other platforms are very not picky. Spreadshirt, Printful, all those you can drag, reposition, and none of them are that picky. So the two I would concern yourself with are Redbubble and Merch by Amazon. Pick your priority, and then I would base your t-shirt designs off that. If you don't have either of these platforms, Merch by Amazon or Redbubble, then I would recommend going for the 4500 by 5400 side of things, just because it's going to look a lot better. It's meant more for t-shirts. Obviously 5000 by 7100 is more, is more portrait wise. I'm going to show you guys that right now. So in terms of the size, here you can see the size difference. This one's a bit small, make it a bit bigger, but you get the idea, right? One is very boxy and t-shirt like. This one's like a more narrow kind of design, and this does affect your t-shirts if you can't resize them, obviously, but the 4500 by 5400 I like designing in much more. I find I actually come up with bolder, bigger, and better designs in the wider area, and I really like this side of things for that a lot better. And yeah, I don't need to make this video too long because I feel like I displayed my point pretty well right here, that depends which platform you're going on. If you're prioritizing Redbubble, I would say go for these dimensions, 5000 by 7100. If you're going for Merch by Amazon or anything but Redbubble, I would say 4500 by 5400. And that's just my opinion. Let me know down below if you guys have any other pixels or dimensions and pixels, what you guys like. And to me, these are the two best options. And I would say 4500 by 5400 is clearly just the one I use, just because Merch by Amazon requires you to use that size. And I actually like the way this box fits. You can design really nicely in it. And it's a big, wide area to design in. Get some bold text, bold fonts and stuff going in there. And yeah, that's pretty much the best dimensions, right? I don't think there's that much to say about dimensions. Really, it's whatever works for you and the platforms you're going on. So keep that in mind. And thank you guys so much for watching. It's been your friend Jack. This hasn't been a long video, but wanted to pack some value in today. Thank you guys so much. With all that being said, peace out, keep striving, stay blessed, have a great day.